When I feel the need for a road trip, one of my favorite directions to go is east into Wisconsin to collect some rustic roads, and it's really nice when two are so close together. Well, hey y'all, it's another beautiful day and another great day to go check out a Wisconsin Rustic Road. Now last week I showed you guys Rustic Road 122. Well, today I'm in the town of Durand, which is just a few miles from the end of 122. We're going to head up to the southern starting point of Rustic Road 107. And that's just a few miles northeast of here. Both Rustic Roads are very close, easy to do on the same day. Let's get rolling. It's just a short drive northeast out of Durand on Highway 85, then north on County Road M to get to our starting point. Just on the other side of this tree line are several smaller wildlife management areas, small wetlands providing critical habitat to the birds and critters who make their home along the Chippewa River, the river that will make Rustic Road 107 an incredible back road to explore. Well, got a bug on my screen. So this is the starting point for Rustic Road 107. It's the southern point and we're going to head north. This is going to be a nice scenic rustic road, a mix of pavement and gravel. Should be a fantastic drive. It's just beautiful out and I'm really looking forward to it. You'll find Rustic Road 107 in Dunn County in western Wisconsin. It's actually made up of three sections or shorter roads: 160th Avenue on the north end, 650th Street in the middle, and 50th Avenue on the south end, which is a nicely paved section. Today, I'm running it south to north, starting at County Road M on the border of Dunn and Pepin counties, right near the very, very, very small town of Red Cedar. It's basically a house. The Rustic Road will finish 6.7 miles later when it meets up with County Road O in the town of Meridean. Like I mentioned earlier, it's the Chippewa River that makes this rustic road a must-drive on a beautiful day. It runs on the east side of the river and hugs portions of the lower Chippewa River State Natural Area. You can't help but smile as you pass by the small farms and blooming wildflowers. As you travel the road, you'll be rewarded with wooded areas covered by a canopy of lush green leaves. Eventually the road rises and opens up to meadows and picturesque views of the Wisconsin countryside, and it's here where the pavement gives way to well-groomed gravel. As you head north, be sure to make a stop and enjoy the view at the Tyrone Canoe Landing and Scenic Overlook, about midway through the route. You'll get a wonderful view of the Chippewa River and the Dunville Bottoms Conservation Area just across the water. When you drive the road, be sure to take a moment and check out the overlook over the Chippewa River. It's absolutely beautiful. This dirt section tight along the river is such a sweet drive as it runs through this vibrant tunnel of trees. If you like to hike or bike, then this is another great reason to come play on this rustic road. It basically runs along the Chippewa River State Trail and crosses it in two locations. You'll know you're getting near the end when you hit this short paved section crossing over the small Cranberry Creek. You'll pass by fields and marshland before eventually coming to the end by the old Meridean School and former Peru Town Hall. At the turn of the 19th century, this area was fairly prosperous because of the feed mills and lumber businesses in the area. But by the 1930s, these businesses were drying up and people began moving elsewhere. Today, Meridian has a population of about 300 folks, keeping its history alive as a once important stop along the Chippewa River between Durand and Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Check out the link to photographer Travis DeWitt's webpage below for some informative history and great photos of this small historic town. Well, there you have it. That's Rustic Road 107. What do you guys think? I think it's a pretty scenic drive and definitely worth checking out. Again, if you're near Menominee or Durand, it's not too far from either city, and it's a great drive along the Chippewa River. If you're interested, go ahead and check out the link below to the Rustic Roads of Wisconsin. There's always a great road, and probably one near you if you're in Wisconsin. And always worth it, always a great drive. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next one, I'll see you guys down the road. Take it easy.